powering the next generation, the 2025 KTM SX-E series. KTM is excited to unveil its 2025 SX-E mini-cross motorcycles, the SX-E3 and SX-E5, designed specifically for young riders. These innovative electric bikes aim to foster a passion for two-wheeled sports and instill a ready-to race mentality from an early age. Positioned as more than just toys, the SX-E series sets a new standard for quality and performance in the youth motocross market, encouraging skill development and fun. Advanced drivetrain development. The 2025 KTM SX-E5 features an advanced, fully electric, water-cooled permanent magnet motor that delivers impressive performance. With a peak power output of 5.0 kilowatts, the SX-E5 offers 30% more riding time compared to its predecessor, ensuring that young riders can enjoy longer sessions on the track. The motor is designed to be dust and waterproof, making it low maintenance and durable. KTM has also integrated a control unit, ECU, that provides direct yet controllable power delivery, perfect for both casual riding and competitive racing. In contrast, the SX-E3 is tailored for smaller riders, equipped with an air-cooled motor that produces 3.8 kilowatts. This model allows beginners to gain confidence as they tackle their first rides on small wheels. Both motorcycles feature a multifunctional instrument display that provides essential information such as battery status and 6 different ride modes, enabling riders to adjust power output based on their skill level. Adjustable frame for growing riders. A standout feature of the KTM SX-E series is its adjustable frame design. The subframe is constructed from lightweight, fiberglass reinforced plastic, allowing it to be repositioned as the rider grows. This adjustment capability provides a height variance of 634 to 682 mm, ensuring that both the SX-E3 and SX-E5 can accommodate young riders as they develop their skills. Additionally, the seat height can be further lowered by adjusting the fork and rear shock mounting positions, enhancing comfort and control. The frame is crafted from high-strength chromium molybdenum steel, providing the necessary agility and stability for young racers. The 2025 modifications also enhance robustness, handling, and shock mounting, contributing to a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. Suspension performance. The suspension system on the KTM SX-E5 draws from KTM's pedigree in full-sized motocross bikes. It features a fully adjustable WP XACT air fork with 205 mm of travel, ensuring maximum comfort and confidence for young riders. The air spring in the left fork leg can be adjusted to suit the rider's weight, allowing for a personalized riding experience. The WP XACT shock absorber offers further adjustability, including preload, rebound, and compression settings, delivering excellent damping performance. The SX-E3 is equipped with a slightly simpler setup, featuring a non-adjustable WP XACT fork with 144 mm of travel. Despite being less complex, it remains a class-leading option for youth bikes, providing a solid foundation for performance and handling. Battery life and charging efficiency. The SX-E5 boasts a powerful battery system composed of 84 lithium-ion cells housed in a robust die-cast aluminum casing. With a capacity of 907 Wh, the battery supports up to 2 hours of relaxed riding or 30 minutes of intense throttle use in race conditions. The SX-E3, with its 648 Wh battery comprising 60 cells, offers similar riding times and features an upgradable battery system that allows for easy swapping with the SX-E5's larger unit. Charging times have also been significantly improved, with the SX-E5 achieving 0 to 80% charge in just 45 minutes and full charge in 70 minutes. The SX-E3 charges from 0 to 20% in 20 minutes and reaches full charge in 140 minutes. Both bikes incorporate safety features such as rollover sensors that cut power in the event of a fall and wrist lanyard cut-off keys for emergency stops. Premium components and design. Beyond performance, the 2025 KTM SX-E series is built with high-quality components that enhance the overall riding experience. Each motorcycle features durable aluminum alloy Nikon handlebars that taper for improved grip and control. The bikes are fitted with light, black anodized aluminum rims, 10-inch for the SX-E3 and 12 for the SX-E5, paired with Maxxis Maxxcross ST tires for optimal traction across various terrains. Both models share common components with the full-sized KTM SX range, including hydraulic brake calipers and wavy brake discs for consistent stopping power. The SX-E3 utilizes a handlebar-mounted rear brake, while the SX-E5 features a foot-operated brake for improved control. The design of the SX-E series showcases bold in-mold graphics and a striking orange color scheme, perfectly complementing the factory-look orange frame and narrow bodywork. Pricing and availability. The 2025 KTM SX-E3 is priced at $4,999, while the 2025 KTM SX-E5 has a retail price of $5,499. These prices reflect KTM's commitment to delivering high-quality, performance-oriented electric motorcycles for young riders, ensuring that the next generation can experience the thrill of motocross while developing their skills in a safe and supportive environment.